Hi all. In this presentation, let me discuss about cloud computing transforming the digital landscape. So first, what is cloud computing? It is the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking software and analytics over the internet. In the traditional model of computing, organizations had to buy expensive servers and they have to maintain data centers and also hire IT staff for maintenance. This setup or this type of computing requires high investment, time consuming setup, and limited scalability. But cloud computing has changed this completely by providing resources online, removing the need of physical infrastructure, and it allowing access anytime and everywhere. The best real time example for cloud computing is uploading photos in Google Photos and storing files in Google Drive. Next, what NIST defines cloud computing is it provides on demand access to a shared pool of configurable resources that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort. So, what is on demand access? It is nothing but users can access services whenever needed without waiting. A shared pool of resources means many users share the same infrastructure, that is multi-tenant system. Next, configurable resources is users can customize resources like storage, memory, etc. Rapid provisioning is resources that can be instantly created within minutes. Minimal management effort is no need for manual hardware management. The best example we can tell is opening Gmail instantly without installing any software. The core concept behind the cloud computing is that it transforms the usage from ownership model to a service based model. The traditional model of an IT before cloud computing emerges is that is they have to buy servers which requires high cost and they have to maintain infrastructure and they have to upgrade hardware regularly. But after cloud computing, they can rent resources which reduces cost and no maintenance is needed, and they can pay only for usage, that is subscription based model. The main advantage here is that organizations have to focus only on innovation instead of managing hardware. Next, we are going to discuss about cloud computing service models. Service models define how cloud services are delivered and who manages that. There are three types of cloud service models: IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. First, let me discuss about infrastructure as a service. It provides virtualized hardware resources like servers, storage, and networking. That is, users can install OS and its applications. It provides management and physical infrastructure. The best example is virtual machines like AWS EC2, that is Amazon Web Service, Elastic Cloud Computing. Next, platform as a service. This type provides a development platform with tools, libraries, and runtime environment. That is, developers can focus only on coding. There is no need to manage servers or OS. The best example of platform as a service is Google App Engine. The next model is software as a service. This provides platform for software applications over the internet. For this, there is no installation is required. It is accessible through the browser and it is based on subscription based model. The best example of software as a service model is Zoom app. And what NIST cloud architecture defines is it is a framework that defines the structure and roles involved in cloud computing. The architecture involves certain actors. The first one is cloud consumers. That is, the users can use cloud services and pays based on their usage. And the next one is cloud providers. The cloud providers owns infrastructure and ensures availability and security. And the next one is cloud brokers. They act as intermediators and they combine services from different providers. And the next one is cloud auditors. They evaluate performance and security and also they ensures compliance with standards. And the last one is cloud carriers. They provide internet connectivity and ensures data transmission. Next, we discuss about how cloud actors interact among themselves. The collaboration between different roles to deliver cloud services here is first the consumers request services, and then the provider delivers services, and carrier ensures connectivity, and broker enhances services, and finally auditor checks compliances. All roles must work together for efficient cloud functioning. The next one we are going to discuss is types of cloud deployment. This defines how in cloud infrastructure is deployed and accessed. There are four types of cloud deployment models. They are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. In the first section, public cloud, here all the cloud services are available to the public via internet. The features of the public cloud is shared resources, low cost, and high scalability. And the next type of cloud deployment model is public cloud. In this type of infrastructure is dedicated to one organization. The best features of private cloud are high security, full control, and it is easily customizable. And the next type we are going to see is hybrid cloud. This is a combination of public and private cloud. The features of hybrid cloud are flexibility, data portability, and cost optimization. The last type is community cloud. This is shared by organization with common goals. The best example of cloud community is government institutions sharing infrastructure. Next, we are going to see about the benefits of cloud computing. So there are many types and many benefits of cloud computing. Here I'm going to discuss about some of the benefits of cloud computing. The first one is cost efficiency. That is, there is no need to buy hardware and no maintenance cost is required. And the next one is scalability. That is, ability to scale resources up or down. The best example is e-commerce website handles traffic during sales. And the next one is disaster recovery. So backup and recovery systems to protect data. That is automatic backup and quick recovery after failure. And last one is global accessibility. That is, we can access data from anywhere. Next, we are going to see about cloud service lifecycle models. That is, what are the stages involved in delivering and managing cloud services? The first stage is service request. Here, the users request services. And the next stage is provisioning. Here, the system allocates resources automatically. And the next stage is usage. This stage defines how services are actively used. And the next stage is monitoring. That is tracking performance and security. And the next stage is billing. This calculates the usage of cost. And the last stage is deprovisioning. That is allocated resources are released. The real world impact and the cloud in action. Let me discuss about and saw about some examples of real world applications. Netflix, Spotify, and SME cloud applications. There are many real world applications are emerging now. So the future of cloud computing, some of the emerging futures I listed here is AI and ML, edge computing, and enhanced security focus and sustainable cloud computing. I conclude this presentation that is cloud computing is not merely a temporary trend but the foundation of future technology infrastructure and making it as a crucial component of modern business strategy. Thank you.